Hello friends, welcome to Mansi's Kitchen, and today I am going to show you how you can make very healthy and cheesy corn and spinach sandwich. These are the best option which you can serve in your breakfast and with your evening tea. Even sometime when you don't have the craving to eat proper lunch and dinner, then this is the best option you can go with. You can also give this in your kids lunch box and definitely your kids gonna love it. These sandwiches are very easy to prepare at home and within very less time you can prepare it. If you like this recipe, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. So let's start. For preparing it, here I am taking this non-stick pan. First, I am going to take a spoon of butter and we'll wait till the butter gets melt completely. Butter gets melted completely. To this I am going to add finely chopped onions, green chilies, boiled sweet corns, chopped spinach and grated paneer. Mix them well on a high flame. Keep mixing it so that it will cook evenly from all the sides. You have to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of mixing, as you can see, everything is cooked. Now it's time for seasoning. Add salt as per your taste. Pinch of red chili powder as we have already added green chilies, and some black pepper powder. That's it. Mix it. Now I'll add milk. Around 1/4 cup of milk I am adding. Mix it continuously on a high flame till you get 1 to 2 boils, otherwise the milk will curdle. So keep mixing it. As you can see, boils are coming. Now to this I am going to add finely chopped fresh coriander and grated mozzarella cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese, then you can add processed cheese. Mix it continuously to avoid burning. You have to mix it till all the milk dries out. So keep mixing on a high flame. For enhancing its taste, I am adding 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Add some chaat masala powder and some lime juice. Around 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice I am adding, and mix it on a high flame till you get the thick mixture. Scrape out all the sides. Now, as you can see, this mixture is thick. This is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the flame and transfer this into the bowl so that it will cool down. Stuffing have cooled down, and here I am taking some bread pieces. Now I'm going to spread this stuffing on it. Spread it evenly. Cover all the sides and cover it from another bread piece. Press it, and like this I am going to prepare all the sandwiches. Here I am taking this non-stick tawa, and first I am going to grease it with some butter. You can also use olive oil. Place the sandwiches on it and slightly press it from your hand. and let it cook on a medium flame from one side till it's nice golden brown in color. Sandwiches are cooked from one side. Now I am going to turn the side. Press it with a spatula. If you want to apply some more butter, then you can use it. Both the sandwiches are cooked. Such a nice golden brown color has come. Now I am going to take them out and switch off the flame. Cut the sandwiches from the center with the help of pizza cutter. Like this. I'll start plating now. Cheesy corn and spinach sandwiches are ready and they are looking yummy and mouth-watering. Trust me, they are very tasty. You can serve this in your breakfast and with your evening tea, or sometime if you don't have the craving to eat proper lunch or dinner, then this is the best option. Do try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me by typing this in a comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.